Que lo que mi gente, welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making a very easy recipe. It's meatloaf and potatoes. Let's go over the ingredients. By the way, you don't have to memorize the ingredients. I will have the ingredients listed down below. I am using 1 pound of ground beef, about 4 potatoes, medium size, cut thin into slices, some black pepper, 4 spoons of ketchup, 1/3 of a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. I have Parmesan cheese, about 2 tablespoons of sofrito or 1 frozen cube of sofrito. I have a little bit of garlic and salt to season my potatoes. Olive oil, 1 egg. You need a muffin tray and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Now we mix it all together. Make sure that all these slices of potatoes are coated with your seasoning. By the way, my oven has been preheating at 400 degrees. At this point, we're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. 20 minutes into the cooking process, we're going to take it out of the oven and top it with our shredded cheese for another 10 minutes. Hi guys, so it has been 20 minutes. I'm going to put my cheese on top of the potatoes. Now, the tray will go back into the oven for 10 minutes just to let the cheese melt. Hey guys, so our meatloaf and potatoes are ready. They baked for another 10 minutes with the cheese on top. At this point, all you need is the butter knife to carefully take them out of the tray. So there you have it guys, that's the final product. Our meatloaf and potatoes are ready. Well, thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And see you guys next time. Bye.